Hello everyone, and once again welcome to another Techtorial video on Powtoon. This video will be the second to last in a 4-part series on this animation software. In the last video we discussed how to create a Powtoon from scratch using the blank template option and going through all the features you can add into a Powtoon. In this video, however, we will finally start off by creating a Powtoon using one of the preset templates for a more specialized and detailed look. The first step would be by opening your home page and picking the template that you want to use for your Powtoon. Perhaps because making a Powtoon from scratch like last video might be too difficult, or you want the Powtoon to be more specialized. For the sake of this video, we will be picking this template right here, Marketing Company Ad. If you want to view other templates, however, click this templates option right here on the left side. After that, you can click the template that you like and click Edit in Studio, which will open the template in a new tab. Before we continue with editing the template, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to like and check out the other videos on our channel. So right after we open any template, there's usually a skeleton structure of the elements that should be in a complete Powtoon using this template. For instance, we have an icon showing where the logo of the business the Powtoon is supposed to help in marketing is supposed to be, and some designated text below it as well. For this, you can go ahead and add your logo by uploading it, then hovering it over the insert logo icon. To edit text, you can simply click on it and type what you wish to. As mentioned in the previous video, you can give an effect to the text. One of it makes it feel like the text is typing during the animation. This can be done by selecting it, clicking Effects, and choosing your preferred text effect. We previously explained that the bar in the bottom of the screen represents a timeline of the animations in that Powtoon. If you click on it, you will be able to see the props that will be appearing in that time. If you would like to make a prop appear earlier or later, you can click the icon of that prop and drag it accordingly, changing its timing. Here we can use an example. This is before dragging the prop. And this is the animation after dragging the prop. A similar feature to something like Google Slides is how you can add animations for transitions from one page to another. This can be done by clicking the part between the slides to select the animation. Then you will be able to see multiple options including warp, fade, zoom out and in, vertical lines, glitch, etc. Another nice feature of Powtoon is how you can add a hyperlink to both text and images, which can simply be done by clicking on an element, say for instance this text. Then, as usual, click the settings and click the Add Link option. Then, simply add the web address you want the element to link to, like so. A preview of how this would look can be seen here. We can click the preview button at the top. Once a scene pops up, click on the hyperlinked element and it should send you to the linked website, as can be seen here. You can also add an external video into the Powtoon in case the animating elements in Powtoon are not enough. This can be done by clicking the play button on the right and clicking the upload video at the top. For this video, we will upload it from our own computer using this button here, like so. You can also add your own voiceover instead of the video audio. This can be done by clicking the video, then clicking the volume button, which will mute it so people watching will only be able to hear the voiceover. To add a voiceover, again click this volume button above the timeline, then click Add Voiceover through any of the following options: Record, Upload, Google Drive, or any of the following external applications. You also have the option to adjust the volume of the voiceover by clicking the volume button again and dragging the box down, which will decrease it. Here you can also adjust the music of the pre-made template, as well as deleting it by clicking Trash or replacing it by clicking this button. To share the specific Powtoon to other people so that they can edit in the same time, you can click the share button beside export, insert their email addresses, very similar to sharing files in Google applications. Alternatively, you can simply give them the Powtoon link here. To export a Powtoon, you can click the export button at the top right and it will provide you with a few options on how it can be exported. Public link is the same as sharing the Powtoon to anyone to view. Download in MP4 version requires premium, however. Download image is only for downloading a single frame. GIFs are only applicable for shorter videos and not very useful for Powtoon's multiple frames large. The Export to Powtoon option allows you to export it as a public video that can be searched up on Powtoon. However, there are a few steps involved. After clicking it, you will have to add a title with optional descriptions and tags, a category, whether it can be viewed to the public or a selected few people, before clicking next. Then you can also remove watermarks, however this can only be done with premium. After that, pick the export quality and the players it can be played in, click export, and with that you can now share it to new people. For Vimeo, it follows a similar process, except that you have to log into Vimeo first. Similar to YouTube where you have to sign in, and it should follow a similar process before they get uploaded in the respective applications. There are also a few more options shown below here. Most, however, are fairly self-explanatory or similar to the ones before. Well, that does it for this week's Powtoon video. We hope that the editing of a pre-made Powtoon template has become much easier for you guys. Stay tuned for the fourth and final video of this Powtoon series. See you next time.